Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Welcome back to another Perfect Plants tutorial. We're super excited to share this DIY soil mixture that will definitely help your plants thrive. We're sticking with a classic soil-based mix today. Let's start by taking a look at everything you're going to need. The ingredients you'll need are super simple and all readily available on our website at myperfectplants.com. We'll be sure to include links in the description as well. You'll need equal parts of garden coir, worm castings, and finally perlite. You can also choose to add a 1/4 teaspoon of slow-release fertilizer per every 2 inches of pot diameter. We're going to be using equal parts of each ingredient, which can be adjusted based on the needs of your plant. After mixing, what you're left with is this beautiful rich soil that will be a good environment for most houseplants, which usually prefer a well-draining soil. First, we go in with our garden coir, which is an excellent base due to its neutral pH balance. Its coconut fiber decomposes at a slow rate and also improves your water retention. It's a super sustainable resource that can be reused time and time again. Next, we can add the worm castings, which is a great form of natural fertilizer that is produced by earthworms. This soil amendment provides a fast-acting hormone for bigger and healthier plants. Adding this will enhance beneficial microbes and bacteria enzymes in the soil and supply important vitamins and minerals to your plants. Finally, we add the perlite, which is a mineral rock that is derived from volcanic rock or glass. It has a neutral pH, is very lightweight, and porous. This helps manage aeration and drainage in your soil. Perlite also creates room for your plant's roots to expand. After this, feel free to add the appropriate amount of fertilizer. Be sure that you know how much of your final product you're going to need for your plants. However, we do recommend mixing your soil in large amounts so you won't have to mix more in the near future. The great part about this soil mix is it can be amended for the type of plant you're using it for. It's completely customizable, so feel free to play around with the measurements to find out what works best for you and your watering schedule. If you're interested in other soil amendments, we'll be sure to link them in the description. Be sure to follow us on our social media and tag us in pictures of your soil mixture. Until next time, happy planting!